Okay, so as you can see, I'm up 630 trading NQ, and I took one trade today, which is this. It was before market open. Okay, and this is a fresh account I bought on Friday. I was down on it, and then I added here, by the way, that's why it says 3, and I lost on Friday. Okay, so first of all, coming to the day, we had the new opening gap, which was very, very big over here, and then the target was just targeting the new week opening up, like being bearish, and the trade was here, over here, and this was a trade over here. I was targeting this low, and we had even down Asia low, but Asia wasn't my target. It was just this low. My stop was over here. I targeted a 1-to-1 over here. Targeted the midnight open. It was yeah, 2-day open. And so the reason why I took this trade is, first of all, we swept this high over here, and then on the 5-minute we are respecting like after sweeping this, we respected it over here, and we had this 15-minute, so we swept this high over here, and then I was expecting this to hold, and then I wanted to see this low. This was my break-even point over here. This was my break-even point over here. So my stop was over here. It was a bit over here, like around here, and then I targeted over here. My entry was a bit like this. I targeted 1-to-1. So we got this inverse over here, but I just waited a little bit. I could have entered over here, but I was on the chart, and the reason why I traded before market open, because I was busy and I had this low, so I really wanted this low to get taken out, because after the sweep we started to swing the downside, and then we swept, we inversed this candle, and if you see on the 5-minute we had like more of a bearish structure, even though over here, but we had those relative equal lows over here, and we also had like this low over here, which I wanted to, like we had this low which I wanted to get taken, and we had the new week opening up, and we had Asia low, and we had midnight open, so we had multiple draws on liquidity. So the reason why I didn't wait for it to retrace is because my stop was protected anyways. So if it goes up like this, to this gap over here, if it goes to this gap over here, it's fine, it doesn't really matter, my stop is protected. So I entered, and then this 5-minute opened, it swept, it respected this gap, and then we just went down TP. It was a good trade, quick trade, which I really liked. And then here's the proof over here, 630, and I'll show the executions. Show executions on chart over here, and yeah, those are the executions. The thing is that also the other account, I lost on Friday. I think it was Friday. I'm not gonna lie, I tilted on Friday a little bit. I'm not sure why, I'm not sure what happened, but yeah, this week is a new week. Yeah, and I lost the other account, by the way, on Thursday, I think, or Friday, I'm not really sure. This is the eligible account, so this will trade it, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow's session is gonna be good. With the new week opening got filled, but honestly for a Monday, non-news Monday, we moved a lot, which is good. And I will show you guys the executions. 1 second. say download. No, not download. Took a screenshot of it. One sec. Here's the execution. Okay, so here's the execution over here. Basically what happened here is that price came a bit up, but I didn't move it directly to break even because I just moved it till here, my stop, and then I moved to break even again. This was after like the price came up. It was the same candle. I was a bit patient, which is good. I added also a bit more when it came back up. That's why this is before. And yeah, this is the trade over here. And yeah, hopefully you guys like the trade recap.